Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use AirDrop, send photos and files and contacts in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library and search photos app. You will see click on photos app. Now here click on library and select photo from here. So select photo, so just click and hold on photo. So click on share. Now here you will see click on airdrop. So airdrop from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use airdrop, send photos and files and contacts in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.